When eggplant are in season, one of my favorite dishes to prepare is Imam Bayildi. It's a Turkish dish that's comprised of whole eggplant that's stuffed with tomatoes, onions, garlic, and fragrant herbs. It's so delicious, and every time I prepare it, I'm instantaneously transported back to Turkey. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll share with you my version of this beautiful recipe. Take your washed and dried eggplant and partially peel them using a peeler or a knife. Then rub them with a little bit of olive oil and place them in their pan to go into the oven to roast for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the filling. Add olive oil and sliced onions to a frying pan and cook the onions until they're tender. Then add garlic, your spice blend, salt, tomato paste, and crushed tomatoes. Stir everything well together and cover it and place it on the stove to cook. In the meantime, take the eggplant out of the oven and cut a slit in the middle of the eggplant, being sure not to cut all the way through, but we cut so that we have enough space to put the filling inside each of the eggplant. Then, using 2 spoons, open the eggplant so that there is space to put the filling. Then take your filling off of the stove and stir it. And now it's time to start stuffing our eggplant. So what we're going to do is just spoon the filling into the eggplant. And as we spoon it, we're just going to stuff it to make sure that we are packing each of our eggplants full of filling. It's going to be so delicious and you're going to love this filling with the eggplant. So make sure that you pack in a lot. Beautiful. Okay, so now with the remaining filling, we're not going to waste it. We're going to take all of it and pour it all over the pan. So this is going to create a nice steaming bath for the eggplant to cook in, and it's going to be so delicious. So now we're going to cover it with aluminum foil and place it back in the oven to bake for about 45 to 60 minutes or until the eggplant are nice and tender. Then we'll remove it from the oven and we have our beautiful eggplant. That looks so delicious. To serve, I'm just going to plate up a whole eggplant per person. So this is going to be a nice hearty filling meal. And I like to add a little bit more sauce on top of my eggplant. Now it's time to try it. Afiyet olsun.